hanging out off hours in the live stream lounge. Today it is special guest Aaron G. What is up? The Gin of Wisdom himself.
How's it going, everyone?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much for doing this guest unboxing. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is Aladdin 3477 lanyards. And this is great because this will be for people that are VIP. I think people get these if they are in the Sky Sail Sky Club, Aladdin's Inner Circle, and executive producer.
Ooh,
so,
right.
Man, have at it.
Okay, this is it. Oh my goodness. I'm very good at opening packages. Oh wait, I have my packaging knife right here. Whoa!
Ooh, man, that's serious business.
Right here. Very careful as not to harm any of the pieces of the body. There we go. Actually, I usually open these upside down because they usually don't have this paper right there. Let's see. Oh. Whoa.
What is it?
Oh, wait, look at this. This is kind of cool. Right there.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Oh, wow.
They're all, oh wow. A nice chunk of them.
Nice, yeah. Vacuum sealed. Okay, nothing else in here. Two little pressure bags here. So let's see, we'll do this. A little line right there. Whoa!
Oh, each one is wrapped. Oh my gosh, it looks
look at that.
It looks so tiny, but what happens when you open one up? That's cool that each one is individually wrapped.
Yeah, that is nice. This reminds me of a story. So, I used to do, back in the day of CDs, we had this company, and for our churches, we would take these CDs and DVDs, and you have to wrap them all, and we'd print them all out, and you have to get them wrapped. So they got these from these companies, a box of these pre-wrapped, individually empty CD cases.
Boy, man, why would you do that if they're empty?
That was my thing. And my brain just went like, okay, so that's terrible.
Yeah.
Not only did we not order that ever, but why would anyone order that? My mind went really, every once in a while, my mind goes on that. It's like, so he was there and he was like, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to wrap these up for those people. Okay, but why would we do that? Well, because sometimes you want something wrapped before you, no, that doesn't happen. No, yeah. There's no, my mind, it doesn't complete the circle. Okay, but anyway, but this is not that way. Look at this. That is adorable. Whenever I see this,
Fidgy. And look at that. In the background, you can see some, you see Aladdin's gun, the shape of the gun. Yeah, you see some kanji here. You see Oromo. And what's on the other side?
Oh, look at this here.
And they're printed double-sided. Look at that, the Sky Sail.
Whoa.
Some more kanji, Aladdin, Lochan, Shyamalan peeking through. Love it. Oh, that's so fun. So you can use this to like hang your keys. You could have this, your keys in your pocket, and you can just have the lanyard kind of hanging out. Is kind of the...
This is like the better ones too.
Is the style. Yeah, and they totally flip all around. Yeah, so they don't get twisted.
Yeah, look at that right there.
It's called a lobster hook.
Ooh, lobster for lobster. Hello.
Yeah. That's it.
Very nice. Wow, look at this.
So
There is,
cool.
of course, 1 bazillion of them.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you, Aaron. Oh my gosh, I got to do these.
Honored.
I got to do these guest unboxings more often.
Yeah, 100%.
Love it. Awesome. Thank you. And these, again, they are in the Sky Sail Sky Club, Aladdin's Inner Circle, executive producer, but I have some extras, so I believe they're also going to be available a la carte in the Aladdin 3477 pre-sale store. Oh, they should be available soon. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Aaron.
You're welcome.